Okay, so the first step is to import your footage. And once you have that on your timeline, you're gonna go up to the menu at the top, go to New, Legacy Title, and a pop-up window will open. What you're gonna wanna do here is type like a tiny little X over the reference point in your footage. In this case, I'm using my thumb as a reference point. After that, close the window and drag your new title onto the timeline. The next step is to go to your effects and under the position, create a new keyframe by clicking the little stopwatch right here. Then you're gonna track the footage forward 5 frames by holding shift and pushing the right arrow. What you're gonna wanna do here is check how much your reference point has moved and then move your little X by using the positioning coordinates X and Y up here. Go ahead and repeat this process for the duration of your clip. Once you've repeated the process enough times, you're gonna have something that looks like this. And after that, it's tracked. What you're gonna do now is go back into that legacy title by double clicking it and replace that little X with whatever desired text you have. Now the same concept applies to images.